For this video, I'm going to be unboxing Terraforming Mars Venus Next. So let's take a look and see what's in this box. Awesome. Did it with one hand. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we have some new cards, and I did sort of open it so I didn't have to mess with the packaging too much. Okay, so we have some cards here. Nice chunk of them, actually. So we have a new corporation called Viron. Another corporation called Morningstar Incorporated, or MSI. We have another corporation, Manutech, I guess that is. Manutech. Another one called Celestic. Another one called Aphrodite. Or Aphrodite. Yeah, so 5 new corporations. Awesome. Lots of new cards. Ooh, I like this card already. Venusian Plants. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that card just by looking at it. Cool. Can't wait to learn how to play with the floaters. And I've also got some floater cards for colonies too. Venusian animals. Huh, that's kind of cool. You can see, looks like some elk. So, that's cool. Venus Way Station. And Venus Soils. Well, I'm not going to go over a card, but for this video, because we'll save that for an actual looking at all the cards. But, you know, so we got a lot of cool cards in here. Let's see here. Anything strikes my interest just by picture alone. Lots of cards. The material is a little different too. The material is a little bit maybe thinner. It's not as doesn't seem to have the nice finish the other ones do. But maybe that's a good thing. That way you can, you know, make sure you get the you know, put the expansions back in the same boxes, or if you do that sort of thing. Ooh, I like that one. Luxury Foods. Just the look of it, I mean. Let's see. Ishtar Mining. Giant Solar Shade. A new microbe card. Extremophiles. And it looks like that's all the cards. And whatever that is. So that's all the cards. We got our new milestones. So when you play with Venus Next, you add this to it as another milestone that you could go for. Looks like 7 floaters. And then we have a new award as well. So I'm sure that's has to do with those symbols on those. A lot of those cards had that symbol on it. So I'm sure it has something to do with that. And then we have a new cube. And this is for the thing that I think is under here. Yes, here we go. So we have a new board. Here's our new board. And so this cube is for this, for the floaters, etc., etc. And unlike the temperature and the ocean tiles and the oxygen, this one does not have to be complete in order to end the game. So you do not have to complete this particular this isn't a goal you have to complete in order to end the game. It just, you know, I think they did that mostly because you do get some bonuses, and there are certain cards that can only be played if this symbol is on one of these numbers, or below one of these numbers, or above one of these numbers. So that's what it's really there for. It also adds us some new colonies as well, 4 of them, and a new standard project as well for 15 money, air scraping, and that's kind of cool. So I mostly got this because I have colonies, and colonies came with some Venus cards, some you know, floaters and stuff, and so I couldn't use them because I didn't have this expansion. So I figured I'd get Venus next. Get it? Venus next. I get it next. Okay, well, corny joke for you, but still, that's pretty cool. So we got ourselves a new expansion to get to know. Venus next. Awesome. Very cool. Well, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video of Terraforming Mars Venus Next. See you guys next time.